Hello everyone, thanks for joining. Welcome to another video of FMCG Blueprint. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic and one of the favorite topics in the FMCG world, in the FMCG interviews, which is ROI, return on investment. If you are a area executive, if you are an area manager, or at any position in brands, and you're going out in the field working with the distributors, then this is one such topic that will give you an upper hand in all the discussions, will make you sound more logical when you are having discussions with the business partners. And if you are a distributor or a small business partner, then I think if you have this sheet with you, you could have a very healthy discussion with your with the companies that you're working with, or with the people that are managing your business. Will help you to assess the profitability of the business. Is it going good? Is it going bad? And we'll not discuss theory here because a lot of theory is already available on the internet, and I'm sure you must be reading, you must be getting info from your seniors, super seniors. What I have done actually here is I have made a ready-made template for you all. The template is going to be absolutely free. uh, you need to input the numbers as per the business scenarios of your distributor or as per your business, and you will get the final ROI percentage. So I think that makes the job extremely easy for you guys as well. Uh, the second important thing before proceeding is uh, you need to understand all the headers in ROI. There might be some fields which are very dynamic and might change from distributor to distributor. So numbers will vary very significantly depending upon distributor location. Is it in a metro? Is it in a non-metro? What is the transit time? And lot of other factors. So keep that in mind, right? Let's jump into the sheet. Try to understand each of the header and try to gauge how much does the distributor earn on a real base scenario. I have kept different categories for you so that you can input this is the business that the person is handling. Okay, so let's go dive into the working sheet. So this is the template, right? And I'm sure it's quite visible to you. Uh, Everything is already built in here. So what you need to do is let's start by business. So we have a distributor here. Let's name the distributor as ABC Distributor. This ABC Distributor handles a lot of different companies' business. So because of which he handles a lot of categories also. Let's assume he's handling snacks, biscuits, personal care brands, beverages, home care products, staples, and confectionery. Uh, a business split is such that uh, this 1.1 crore distributor handles 20 lakhs of snacks, 25 lakhs of biscuits, personal care is around 15 lakhs, and so on and so forth, right? And whatever is the margin structure in your organization, be 2.5%, 3%, 4%, 5%. For a sample set, I have already put a margin here. So accordingly, as per your business, you can put in whatever margin, whatever categories you are working with. Say, for example, snacks business is not 20 lakhs, it's 30 lakhs for your business, right? So you can simply put 30 lakhs here and it will automatically, everything will automatically get updated. Okay. So I'm working right here. So the gross profit is calculated right in front of you. How does this is similar, simply the sum up of all the total gross profit, and similarly this business size is the summation of uh, all the total business of whatever has been put here. Margin here, total margin is calculated reversely so that you can understand what is the margin that you are earning net to net basis. Okay. Now the second most critical factor in ROI is your expenses. Now whatever optimization, whatever savings that you can do is either to improve ROI, is either to build up on the businesses, right? And we have seen here, right, for example, from 30 lakh, what is the ROI? 17.7. And if the business reduces to 25 lakhs suddenly, right, your ROI also reduces similarly. Okay, so this is how it works. The second important thing is expenses. If you can save on expenses, then also ROI will get altered, right? So for example, these are some of the common headers that we see. What is it? Go down rent, right? So for example, the average monthly rent, whatever it is for your distributor, is it a shared? Another optimization that you can do here is, if the distributor is for you is handling multiple companies business, then whatever is his rent, you can divide it proportionately business basis the businesses that he's currently handling. Do not put the entire amount here. That is the first thing. What I meant here is, if the distributor go down rent is say around 1 lakh, and he's doing working with 3 companies, each company has a business, 4 companies, and each company has a business of around 25,000, right? So it is to be split equally. Your go down rent here will not be 1 lakh, but it will be 25,000 on handling 4 guys. Okay. So accordingly, you need to put in the monthly cost of the go down rent here. Similarly, the next header is the computer operator salary. You must have a computer operator. If you are doing it on your own, you can put it 0. For small businesses, it works, right? For loader, you need to have minimum 2 loaders for vehicle, loading the stocks to the vehicle, right? Then go down keeper salary, cashier salary, manager salary, and bank charges, insurance, stationery, electricity, phone bill, agent bill, and miscellaneous. Uh, One thing I think is missing here, which is uh, their agent vehicle. So can add on the vehicle, delivery vehicle, delivery vehicle cost. For example, you calculate delivery vehicle. For example, average vehicle delivery vehicle normal capacity of 50,000 value, right? What is the total value of business that we are doing? This approx 246, right? 246 divide, so round. If the vehicle is owned, then the vehicle cost will be 0, right? But if the vehicle is not owned, then you need the vehicle cost here. That you can enter into the miscellaneous, or you can simply put it somewhere here. So that will add on to your cost, and then these are the nominal costs. You can vary it, change it, make it 0. So the total expense will come up something like this. Now the second important factor here is the stock on hand, right? So stock on hand basically will depend upon which kind of town you're working in. If you are in a metro or you work in a non-metro, it depending upon transit days also, the SOH will vary. Ideally for metros, it is 15 days. And in case of non-metros, it is 21 days. On a safe side, I have kept 21 days here. You can reduce it. If you're working in a metro, you can simply put it to 15 days, and you're, if you are in a non-metro, you can make it to 21. Okay, live changes are happening here. SIT, SOH is stock on hand, right? SIT is stock in transit, right? In case of a metro, the stock in transit is 1 day or maximum 2 days. If you are in a non-metro, it can go up to 5 to 7 days. Put it 7 here. Then if you see here, the cost will vary significantly. Okay. Now cash in transit, which is you might have put certain cash into the bank, it is yet to reflect, there is some transaction happening in between, 1 to 2 days it can vary, right? And if whatever you put of the business simply calculates that. Then the next factor here is the market credit. Depending upon the market scenarios, you can vary it. Say for example, in your market the credit is 21 days, you can change that. The market the credit is 7 days only, you work on cash basis, you can change that. It will significantly improve your ROI. For simplicity, let's put it 15 days. Okay, so this calculates the market credit. The next important factor is the pending claims, right? So depending upon the amount, if you directly know the amount of claims that is pending, you can put it here. For simplicity of calculation, I am putting it here that on an average 2 days of claim pending of the total business. So it comes around 8 point. So the total gross profit, so the total gross margin is sum of D4 to D. What is D? Or you can simply put it as the next factor is the total expense, which is basically the summation of D15 to D30. So the total expenses comes to be 259 lakhs, 2,59,000 net profit. Net profit is basically profit minus expense, which comes around 2.5 lakhs. Now the total investment basically summation of this, which is lakhs. So around 1.8 crores, and the annual ROI comes to be 16.03%, right? Which is what it is basically whatever is the net profit, we are multiplying it with 12, basically for 12 months, and divided it by total investment, right? So simple Excel, simple things to do here. So I hope this makes your life easier. You can use it on a day-to-day basis. The gross profit by category here automatically updates basis whatever business is there for your distributor. Uh, Remember, vehicle cost has not been incorporated with the assumption that the distributor has its own vehicle. If the distributor does not have, if we are running uh, 3 vehicles to one calculation. 3 vehicles. Average vehicle does a business of 3,000, gives us a business. These 3 vehicles can deliver up to 42 lakhs, correct? Let's take 9 vehicles. Average week per day expense of is another 2.5. But this is month. If you have your own vehicle, you will see a lot. Other so the business will get it significantly. Per vehicle costing. Okay. Now what you need to do in that case is you business or cost wherever, right? Cost you can see the ROI significantly. First thing you did was you optimized on vehicle, you ran it to bi-weekly significantly on your significantly. Now you second thing focus on business. Here is high margin here, and you're able to grow it, or again back to the same ROI. Okay. Now if even if you increase one more vehicle, ROI price, you increase more vehicle, your still suffer. Correct? Now remember in cost, so I hope you understood this. Now remember in cost, there are two main headers. Okay, this is I'm training you for two main headers that you need to take care of, which is called SNS. Is what is SNS? and as and supervision. Okay, in sales what comes is whatever you need to do to make the sale happen, which is delivery vehicle, loaders, right, go down, cheaper, all those on along these lines. Okay, sales and what comes in loaders, delivery vehicle, sorry, and what comes in supervision is basically salaries. What salaries? Salesman, if the company does not pay for that. Okay, salesman salary. Second could be the loader salary, driver salary. Try to incorporate all these expenses here so that whenever you are calculating your final ROI, do not miss on any of the costs, because cost is one factor which varies significantly apart from business, which impacts your total ROI. So that is one thing you need to take care of. You are good to go, right? So I hope this gives you some clarity, understanding of the ROI model. Uh, and even if you have some doubts, questions, you can definitely put it in the comments and I'll try to answer those for you. How to get this sheet? You can make it live while you are watching the video. I think it will give you a practice also. But for people who have already joined my Telegram, link is already there in the page, right? You can simply click on this link, join the FMCG Blueprint Telegram channel. It is easy to access and you can join us there, and I'll simply share the link there for you all. You can download the Excel from the link and get going. We have already built a community of 50 plus people who are interested in learning about FMCG, daily quality content on the group there. So I'm sure you can definitely grab a copy of the Excel. Uh, my suggestion would be to make your own Excel and practice on it before sitting with your distributors, or as a business owner, you need to make it more detailed. You can do that, just add columns in it and make it handy. I hope this helps you. I hope uh, you liked the video. Please show your support by giving a thumbs up to the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. We are produce amazing content in the coming days. Uh, so you need to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, hit the bell icon, and then uh, I hope we'll meet again very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great time ahead. Thank you.